Hi guys, welcome to part 2 Warnham Nature Reserve. The reserve has been open for many years and is in Horsham, West Sussex. The staff are volunteers working in the coffee shop, wardens walking around making sure it's safe, making sure people are doing what they're supposed to be doing, maintaining the hides and topping up the food for the wildlife. They have built a new discovery hub which will be open to the public on the 25th of October this month. I am particularly looking forward to this myself as I've been watching it being built over the months. This is a lovely place for families with children, people that are retired, taking pictures, walking around, sitting about, watching the nature and the wildlife, going on nature trials, sitting around at the lake in the hides, just enjoying life as it goes by. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.